Hey everyone, so I just kind of wanted to show off what I created using some vinyl I had left over from another project. So like I mentioned, I had some leftover removable vinyl and some odd colors left over from another project, and it's just been sitting around collecting dust. So then I was thinking about it, and I remembered this idea that I told my husband about last year, where I thought it would be really cool to do a thankful tree with our kids each year. So then I found a tree and a leaf image on Google. I cut them out using my Cricut, and then I took the tree pieces outside and I spray painted them with some bronze spray paint that I already had. Now each night, our family can sit and take a few moments to write down one, sometimes two or three things on each leaf that we're thankful for, or for the babies, it's just things that we like. And at the end of this month, we'll have such a cool in-our-face image of all the blessings in our life. So we're really super excited to see what that's going to look like and see how full the tree is. Also, every time we've had a friend over or a family member, anyone that walks through our door, I make them fill out a leaf as well. So we just have tons of thankfulness when you walk in the door, and it's really, really cool. I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to do it every single year from now on. Hey, so I hope you enjoyed that little tiny, very quick video. I just wanted to kind of show off what I did because I was super proud of it, and my kids are gonna love it, and that tree is gonna be so full at the end of the month of things that we're thankful for. I'm super excited to see it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thank you, Lisa Sierra, for subscribing, and I will see you guys soon. Oliver! Buddy! Okay. Come here.